Hello everyone, this is the fifth series of the medicinal plants reported so far from Loktak Lake. Because it's a long list, we have divided into few sections, and this is the fifth part, and we'll be continuing with the different plants that we talked about in the earlier part, that is part 4. So this is really a research perspective. There may be more than the plants that have been listed here. So we just wanted to know which of the plants are already been reported. So that's how we are going to list it. These are some of the references that I took. So the plant here is Plantago erosa. Here people take the whole plant boiled, and it is taken orally, and this reduces urinary problems, kidney stones and gallbladder stones. So it can also reduce inflammation and constipation problems. Again, the plant extract is also taken to treat chronic fever, and the plant paste can be mixed with the Allium sativum bulbs, and then Allium escalonicum and Eryngium foetidum. So the mixture of this combination is used in massaging in times of rheumatic pains and muscular pains. So this is a kind of combination that people use. And apart from that, the plant extract is mixed with honey, and then it is taken orally, which reduces the body temperature in fever. And then the seeds of the plant can be consumed, and it can help to reduce genitourinary tract complaints, diarrhea, dysentery. So such kinds of problems can be reduced while consuming the seed of the Plantago erosa. So the next plant is Polygonum barbatum. The shoot of the plant can be consumed as vegetables in general, but let's see in a medicinal uses, how can people make use of it. So the fresh tender shoot is cooked and it's consumed, and it helps to treat stomach disorder and constipation. The seed powder soaked in water can be taken, and it helps to treat strangury. The leaf paste can be used to treat skin infection and cutaneous infection. So skin infection is, we know the skin and how different kind of skin infections uh, can be, there are different kind of skin infection. It's very easy to understand. And cutaneous, it means the nail infection. So the leaf and shoot decoction is taken, and it helps to treat ulcers. The boiled leaf extract is taken orally to treat stomach problems like diarrhea, dysentery, and other colic uh, problems. So these are some of the uses by Polygonum barbatum. The next plant here is Polygonum hydropepper. Here the crushed shoot is applied on forehead, and it reduces a fever. Again, the seed powder is soaked in lukewarm water, and it is taken to treat strangury. Let's see about Polygonum minus. So the plant shoot decoction is taken, and it helps to treat strangury. So there are different plants that we have seen so far that helps to treat strangury. And the next plant here is Polygonum mole. Here the fresh shoot is crushed and applied on wounds and problems like eczema. So this is how people use it for the plant Polygonum. So the next plant is Polygonum orientale. Here the plant decoction is taken orally and it helps to treat strangury. The seed powder of the plant is soaked in water and it is taken to treat cystitis. So cystitis is a problem where you get inflammation in the bladder. So in this case, the plant Polygonum orientale is used. The next plant is Polygonum perfoliatum. Here the whole plant is heated and the leaf is wrapped along with banana leaf, and it is applied to wounds and uh, other injuries or muscular sprain. So it relieves pain. So another way is the seed paste is used as an antidote in snake bite. So when I say antidote again in snake bite, it is the first aid that can be used in snake bite. The next plant is Polygonum possumbu, where the leaves are cooked with Puntius futinio for the treatment of diarrhea and stomach complaints. Another way is the crushed plant extract can be applied to treat skin allergies. Apart from this, there is a combination of the plant Polygonum pasumbu, Eryngium foetidum, and Leucas aspera all mixed together to form a mixed juice, and it can be applied uh, to treat weakened muscles and paralysis. So in these problems, this three mixture juice can be helpful. And then consuming the raw shoot, it controls high blood pressure, and leaf juice mixed leaf juice can be mixed with a little warm water, and it is used for the treatment of gastritic problems. Apart from that, consuming the cones, it helps in the digestion. So these are the medicinal uses of Polygonum pasumbu. The next plant is Ranunculus scleratus. So here the plant leaf can be slightly burnt, and it it can be externally applied to the portion that is being enlarged uh, in the gout problems. So it helps to reduce pain and swellings. So the other way is the boiled plant paste can be applied to treat blisters and eczema. So these are some of the uses of Ranunculus scleratus. So the next plant is Rotala rotundifolia, where the plant decoction is used for the treatment of strangury. The plant paste can be applied to treat eczema. And the next plant we will talk about is Rumex maritimus, where the leaf paste is applied to burns and injuries. The stem can be heated and the juice can be made out of it, and it is applied to uh, air for the treatment of otorrhea. So remember I talked about otorrhea, it is a kind of air drainage. So in that case, this juice can be applied to the air, so it helps to reduce the problem. The next plant is Sagittarius sagittarifolia, where the fresh root paste is mixed with honey and it helps to treat cough. The boiled rootstock paste uh, can be mashed and then applied externally for the treatment of skin diseases like scabies and itchiness. So apart from that, the leaf powder reduces itchiness, so it can be rubbed over the skin. and then the leaf powder it can be mixed with honey, and it reduces sore throat, uh, and then inflammation of the breast. So these are some ways. And then again, the boiled vegetative part of the plant is consumed and it reduces hypertension. So these are the ways people can make use of this plant as a medicinal plant. So that's all for today. So these are the continuation of the list of medicinal plants from Loktak Lake. We'll come up with the rest of the plants in the next session. Thank you so much.